single-handed victories. Currently, there is a vacuum in our systems, in our civilizations. That's in all aspects the political and the scientific level has been shaken, and things are turning around in a unexpected way 180 degrees around, and especially in terms of technologies, that's general public is attempting to do the impossibles, and thanks for the legacy that has always been around like a heritage. That's the main drives remain and has always been very simple and very approachable, and not that difficult to rediscover the lost knowledge, and it has been hanging around for very long time. For some device has been around laying in dust for centuries, such as the Tesla bladeless motors. This is the motor building communities try to redefine Tesla technology, and this is a very common hardware that in terms of the electronic they make sense. We try to make sense out of Tesla turbines, and this is so common set that even I do not expect it to work. I just got too many hardware laying around. I do not have time to test the full potential of this. But this common coils start this resonance that I was very glad about, and the famous Tesla 369 space gaps, and you can clearly see the gaps. This is a very powerful pentagon presented in a toroid set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very heavy-duty class of hardware. The general public is approaching to the 5 stars from the root. In Tesla turbine, Tesla in his patents, or you often find these symbols. In modern day electronics, you will find this seems to be a meaningless symbols. And if you watch YouTube often, you will hear some of us saying the energy is found on the basis. Normally they appear. They are expected in the emitters, but this time it's on the base. You would often hear and see things like this, and this is Tesla original patents. This is what Tesla bladeless motor looked like, a stack of plate. And now we will put this hole in respect of size and in light of geometries meaningfully together with Tesla's 369, as Tesla has requested to have the 369 flux gaps installed on it. The end result would be this pair, these two, the plate is balanced. Now, if you look carefully, the 369, the flux gap is installed in favor of stabilizing the whole systems and allowing the flow of energy to be more comfortable. And if you count it, it's designed with 369 with 3 pairs, with 6 plus 369, which gives you 9. People have already discovered the magic of 9s. It's very powerful when you count up to 9 to a full set. And slightly little, since we already have the plate constructed, we will take advantage of the Fibonacci sequence, slightly bend inwards. Nothing new. The general public can approach it very with cost effectiveness in mind, very cost effectively approach it. We need to throw this into the goldsmiths and have the actual test run on it, because it's actually running on the same principles as electronics. This is the same principle that we're seeing over and over again in our stations. Now that is finally 20 degrees apart. This finally gives more insight on what Tesla is trying to tell us.